Thought I'd make another video of this little ammo can boombox. I've still got my amp and all that stuff just outside of it, so I'm still playing around with it. I'm actually going to do a little distance test on it just to, see how well it does from far off. Right now my amp, it's just a raw amp. I have no way of setting my bass and treble whatnot. I'm waiting on my hi-fi board to come in. That way I can get it built and I'll have control over the bass, treble, balance, volume, all that. But like I said, I'm just going to do a little distance test right now. That's actually the next one to be done. That's twice the size. I'm actually going to build it here for the shop, so it's going to have more in it, and it'll have a sub and all in it. All right, well, here we go. Hook it back up. Like I said, all this stuff here is just temporary. It's actually going to have an on and off switch and all that crap, so let's try it out. Let's see. It'd help if I cut the damn MP3 player on. Oh, and I haven't dynomatted it yet. I'm all the way back to the fence right now and still sounds good. I actually built it so when I go to car shows, I can have it sitting beside me at my seat and I can have some portable jams. So if I can hear it from this far away, then I think it's plenty loud enough. Like I said, I still have to dynomat the inside and all that to get some of the rattles out. Not bad for two little cheap 4-inch speakers and a little homemade amp. The speakers actually, I think I paid 20 bucks for them. They're called Renegades. They were supposed to be made by Rockford Fosgate. Don't know if that's true or not, don't care. They sound pretty good for 20 bucks. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you up to date when I do more stuff to it.